Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV here at Austria Arms Action Days in Deutsch Wagram, Austria. I'm at the MK unit table. We are looking at some mag couplers. Now, I know these guys from the last time that I showed up at in Austria when we filmed at Steyr. What do you have? What are we showing off here today?
Hello, my name is Martin. I'm from MK unit, and we're showing you today our couplers from the AUGs for the old magazines, the 9+1 magazines. This is the old coupler, and we have also here the new one for the new magazines from Steyr, the 10 rounder, and we also have our new product for the pistol carbine for the Glock magazines, for the 70 rounders and the 19 rounders.
So essentially what this does is it replaces the base plate in the magazine so you can just flip it and change magazines quickly.
I show you. Here we have the standard 70 rounder magazines. It's very easy to put it together. This is what looks inside. You have a standard 70 rounder.
So it doesn't even replace the base plate. It just seats in there.
Yes.
Now I see.
When you have a 70 rounder standard, again 4 magazine, you have also here this adapter that simulates the +2 adapter, and you put this in, put the normal magazine in, and then put it together, and you have it, in this length.
And you have a Glock magazine with the +2. You can give it inside, check, and you have 19 +2, 36 rounds to couple.
Yeah. No, that's really cool. So how much do these cost? Not very expensive, I would imagine, right?
In the moment, we don't have a price. We have it not now in the shop. Maybe in next 2 weeks. Yeah, we go online, and yeah.
Okay. It's the first day we're showing this.
This is the first day you showed it. Yeah, well, congratulations. Yeah. Hey, I'm glad I'm here to see it. Now, are you guys going to do anything? Are you racist towards guns that are not Austrian? It was meant to be a joke, fellas. That one's going to land. Trust me, they're going to love it out there on YouTube. They're going to love that one. But maybe we are. Yeah. Actually, I'm glad you asked, James. No, but you're making them for the AUG. You're making them for the Glock. Are there plans, if this goes well, to expand?
In Austria, we have a lot of guns, and for the government, 30 rounds are not allowed to buy it, and we can make it for the MP5, for the AR-15 systems, maybe in the future, and for all semi-rifles with 10 rounds magazines. We can create a coupler system.
See, and now it makes sense to me. So the reason why you've got this for the AUG, it's 20 rounds. It's really 2 10-round magazines you can flip because this is the most you guys can have.
We are the guys with the 30-round feeling, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, obvious dick joke that we can throw in there too, but after the last one that I made, I'm too scared to try. Guys, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I really appreciate it. When are these going to be out? Do we know? Do we have any idea in terms of when I can purchase this?
Where?
When?
Maybe in maximum 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks.
In our shop, yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, see, I love that. You normally come to shows.
We launch it soon.
Yeah, so 2 weeks. It's on the way. You guys here?
Watch our Instagram account and you will see it on our.
What's the Instagram account?
MK unit.
Okay.
And then we make a picture with all informations, maybe next week or maximum in 2 weeks.
Okay. 2 weeks. Make the pictures. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from Austria Arms Action Days. Take care.